Guys, in today's video, I will show you how to clear all cache from Windows 11 and Windows 10. Yeah, any other PC doesn't matter. In just few minutes for better performance. So it's super easy, and if you follow along till the end, you will notice a big improvement in your computer's performance and boot speed. So let's get started, guys. So the step number one is prefetch cleanup. So just press Windows key plus R. So the pop-up will appear. Now, guys, you can in this search box just type prefetch and hit OK button. If perform for permission, then click continue. Now, guys, press Ctrl plus A to select all files, then press Shift plus Delete to remove them permanently. These files are temporarily cache items. Deleting them will not harm your system. The step number two, temp folder cleanup. So again, press Windows key plus R together. R as in Romeo. So now this time, guys, you should type and press OK button. Again, you have to press continue. And again, you have to select all files, Control A, and press Shift plus Delete. Just click on Yes. And so, guys, step number three, just press Windows key plus R once more together. R as in Romeo. And now, guys, this time, just type percent temp followed by percent. So you can see the percent temp percent. This is for folder cleanup, and then press OK button. This folder holds even more hidden temporary files. So select all, Control A, and permanently delete them with Shift plus Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they are in use, simply skip them. And the last step is disk cleanup with clean mgr command. So again, you have to go and press Windows key plus R, and the dialog box open. And just here you can just type clean mgr and press OK button. Select your main drive, see by default, and click OK button. In this disk cleanup window, check all boxes: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, and temporary internal files. Just select all the checkbox. After that, guys, just go and hit OK button. Delete all files. Yeah, this takes time. You can see my recycle being successfully cleaned up. Nothing is left. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Move unnecessary junk and cache files from your PC, making it run faster and smoother. So guys, if you have not subscribed and hit the like button for this video, I would really appreciate if you smash that like and subscribe button for more PC optimization tips. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.